Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Good morning, good afternoon.
I'm just realizing that I had told you to make your glasses become dark in the sun. Say thanks, honey. It actually looks cute on you.
Thank you. I don't even realize when I watch coffee.
You won't realize it, but I will. His glasses become dark in the sun, and I think he's so cool. I wanted mine to do that, but it wasn't necessary, so I let him do his.
I saw 50 bugs which passed down.
Yeah, I saw it too. Why are you frightening me like that? Say morning to the faves.
Morning face.
Where are we going?
To Italy.
To do what?
To play goat.
Yes, and who love to eat goat? Sarah.
Sarah's awake too.
Say morning, princess. Say morning. Say morning, everybody, body. No? Just serious face? Nothing? Just side eye? Alright, we'll take it. Guys, we are on our way to Italy, as Tyler told you, to buy my stash of goat, y'all. If you guys been watching for a while, then you guys know that I found goat. Finally, I find mutton in Italy, the closest place to me. I can't find it in my area. I can't find it where I live. So your girl gotta drive an hour to go to another country, honey, to get goat. So that's what we're doing today, to get my stash. So I plan on driving to Italy at least once every month to get my little stash of goat. I soon talk to you, Tyler, to get my little stash of goat, so that way I can satisfy my palate with my good curry mutton. And I'm waiting on this goat to brandish my duchy. I haven't used my duchy as yet, deliberately, because I'm waiting to get this goat. So that's what we're doing today. And babe also said, let's make it a date each time we go to Italy. Let's use the time that we're going to explore a little bit and to just have a little family time as usual. That's what we do. That's what we enjoy doing. So that's what we're doing right now, heading to another country, honey. Yes, Tyler. Can I help you?
You know which country we are going?
Yes.
Can I tell you?
Okay.
The country that we are going, is the country that spaghetti comes from.
That is absolutely right. Who tell you that?
My teacher.
Is it?
I saw that j'en sais parler toutes les langues de sa song.
Okay. You want to sing the song for me?
I can't sing it. Yes.
Sing it again. Sing it for the faves.
Mama, but I want to tell you something.
Okay, what?
And also, that song is on the polyglot.
What is polyglot?
It's a song.
Oh, come here.
Okay, I was about to ask you the exact same thing. I was about to ask you the exact same
But you
thing.
didn't ask me.
Yeah, but I just let you drive because I'm wondering, probably you find a new route.
If you have tell me, then I will have
I think you find a new route.
Well, you tell me things when you're not supposed to, and when you're supposed to, you don't tell me things.
Anyway, you guys, we are heading to Italy, so enjoy your day. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and let nobody change your mood today. Okay? Nobody at all, not even your husband. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. guys, we are in Italy right now, and there is a special market that is in Italy every Saturday in this city that we all call Sanremo. So a lot of people is actually coming here just for that market. They sell just about everything. That's the market where we find the goat in. So that's where we're heading right now. That's the first thing we're gonna do, is go by the market to find the goat, and then we'll probably go have lunch and then see where we go from there. But yeah, we're heading up to the market right now. In my little nugget. Hey, sexy body husband. Sexy body husband. I want to see your face. Honey, turn around. You're too far away from me. You're walking too fast.
You just walk as fast as I need to.
The streets of shops and restaurants. We're going through. Shh. You're too loud. You're too loud, Ty. Lot of restaurants, lot of luxury shops on the streets. So the market is actually clothes market and food market. You guys, the clothes market probably closed by now, right? No? Maybe. I think the last time when we hear the Sanremo.
Here's another Sanremo.
That's the name of the city that we're in. It's Sanremo in Italy.
Oh.
So it's the height of lunchtime. So everybody's out dining, having lunch. This restaurant is nice. This one is just fast. Sorry, sleeping actually. A lot of African people selling fake bags, fake everything. It's like China. Italy's like China, don't babe? Lot of lunch hour happening. Oh. Okay, you guys, this is what the clothes market looks like. Well, it's actually about to close because I see people taking down their things. So it's just a market of clothes. You get that really good prices. I was about to ask you where you're going. So you can find just about everything inside this market.
Dutch. No?
Huh?
I said you can find the...
No, not the Dutchie. Not the Dutchie. Honey, come. Come.
Oui, d'accord.
Non del rosa.
You guys see the clothes market go all the way up there. Every street in this area have clothes. Jane, they have really nice prices on things. And then this is the food part. The food part is inside. And we're going straight to the goat man. Yeah, right, banana. Look at your face. You see the flag of Italy?
Yeah,
There it is, right there.
yes, because here's Italy.
Alright, go. You guys, we finally find somewhere to eat. It wasn't easy as a lot of places closed right after lunch hour, and we reached here just when lunch hour about to close, about 2:30. The place that we wanted to get the goat at the market also closed. We didn't realize that a lot of the places within the market would close and reopen at about 4 o'clock. So we have about 2 hours. So by the time we finish eat lunch, then we can always go back there and get the goat. Hopefully they'll have it. If not, there's a lot of other butcher places around here. Wait, Tyler, wait. A lot of butcher places are a lot of meat shops around here, and I'm sure we can find it, so ain't no worries. But we're here. We're actually sitting right where we made our intro, right by the port, having lunch. Yes, Ty?
Look what I really need water.
Yeah.
There is shark in the water.
You are too loud.
Mama?
Yes.
Is
Honey, you look so cute with your glasses there.
Mama?
I don't see, for me it's just regular glasses. You know when you have you want to?
I see.
I feel
I had glasses like that before, that's why I always wanted it.
okay, cool.
And my mom always take her glasses that way. All my glasses is in the past were like that. But you don't feel it.
No sun.
Yeah, but once the light hits it, it
Mama?
becomes dark.
Mama?
Yes, Dad. But once you're inside, like you're inside the building or you're inside the car, well, if you're inside the car and the light hits it through the car thing, it becomes dark. But if you're inside the house, then it won't become dark. Sarah's here, chilling, laying down.
Mama?
I take out her car seat to change her diaper. Yes, Dad.
If there was shark in the water, we need to do what?
We need to get out, not go in.
Oh, yes. Fast.
Yeah. You enjoying the bread?
Yes.
Baby, gnocchi. Tyler is having. Ooh, and I'm having risotto. Looks so good.
We just finished to eat and we now visiting. Look who is there.
Papa, let's go let's go to the end.
Look, that's Mama. That's Mama. Do you see Mama?
Papa, come. Let's go to the end.
You want to go to the end?
Yes.
Alright, you go to the end.
Let's go to the end.
Somebody's trying to go up.
Before husband come and help me, it's filming me. Get your ass down here.
Let's go. Let's go to the end.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, I see Tyler behind Mama.
Oh,
He's so
Papa,
funny.
you want to do high?
There's no word
I
behind
guess
Tyler.
babe already give you guys the view from up here. That's the view from where we are.
Papa, you want to do count, Papa. Papa, you want to do count.
Boo.
Papa, you want to do count, Papa. Papa, you want to do count. Mama,
Mm-hmm.
you
I need to
count
see
and
you,
me
I need
high.
to hear you.
Mama.
So I'm getting that big piece.
The last time you did it, you get less than this.
Yeah, because he only had one piece left the last time.
Well, that's why we're here.
I'm getting like 2 times this size.
It's up to you. Take this.
It was up to me to take this. That's all mine, yes. You guys, we are back from Italy. You're smiling. And I got my goat, you guys. I got my stash of goat. It's about 10 pounds of goat, as they say.
Yes,
Let me show you guys up close and personal. You guys, look at this. Oh, that's a lot. Oh. That's a lot of goat. Enough to last us about 2 months, so we'll have to go back until about January. Right now, I am going to cut some of these smaller, and I'm gonna season everything and pack them away in the fridge. And I also got us some banana because I didn't pick up any banana at the supermarket yesterday because I thought there was enough, but no. Babe eat them in the morning for breakfast. And look what I found. Milo. I found Milo at a Chinese store, cheap, half price for what I find it for at that British store that I had gone to some weeks ago. So I got it for €5, so that's good. And when I was coming back from Jamaica, I accidentally had my scissors in my carry-on, and they took it away when we were checking in, so I bought a new scissors. And at the Chinese store, I find lychee. I love lychee, so I pick up a can. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Those are all the things we pick up. I'm here seasoning up this goat. My child says he wants turned cornmeal, as they call it in French, polenta. So I made polenta for my boy. Let me show you how he likes it. Turn cornmeal.